Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I'm going to take up a very common question which we ask every single person and we have been asked multiple times a day. I'm going to tell you how to answer this question in 5 different ways and 5 different ways how you can ask the same question to different people around you, whether they are your friends, your relatives, your neighbor, your colleagues, or anybody, or any stranger, or anybody else. What this question is and how we are going to answer this question, I'm going to tell you the format, I'm going to give you the sentence structure, I'm going to tell you how you can answer this question the best possible way. Remember, this is a very simple, basic question we all are asked every single time when we meet somebody, 10 times a day. So stay tuned and watch my entire video to know what I'm going to talk about in this video. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. If you don't wish to subscribe my channel, no problem. Just give me a thumbs up, like my video. Now let's get back to the topic. So, any guesses what I'm going to talk about? Well, I'm going to give you a moment to write your question in the comment section. What question I'm going to talk about today? Your time starts now. Okay, guys, enough guessing. Now I'm going to reveal what question I'm talking about. Well, whenever we meet anybody, whether it is our friends, relatives, family members, colleagues, strangers, anyone else, one question we ask everyone is, hi, how are you? Right? We ask people, hi, how are you? What's up? What's going on? How are you doing? In 100 different ways. I'm going to pick up 5 different ways of asking this question and answering this question. You will get 5 alternatives, 5 different options to answer this question. You'll get to know the framework, you'll get to know the sentence structure, you'll get to know how you can talk about it with people in the best possible way or to make an impression or impact on others by just answering this question in a very simple and elegant way. Right? Let's get started. First question is, hi, how are you? Let's take this basic simple question. How are you? How do you answer this question? Now it depends on the situation, like whom you are talking to. If you're talking to your friends or relatives or your very close family members or your neighbor or your colleagues or your friends or anybody else, it depends on situation how you answer this question. When you're talking to a neighbor or your colleague or anybody else, we just reply, yeah, everything is good. We all are good. We just simply reply saying, I am good. Thank you for asking. Right? But how do we elaborate on that? How do we add more details to this question so that, the conversation goes on a bit and then we can ask another question to further extend the conversation. So how do we add more details to how are you? What we can talk more about it. Okay. In a very general way. So we can just talk about what we are doing right now, how things are right now with us. Okay. So to start your answer with, we can always say, yeah, everything is good. Things are going very smooth. My kid has started going to school. I am busy with my project right now. My wife is also busy with her job. Since it's the start of the sessions, a lot of new things are coming in and we are very busy with all those things. With our office and school, our kids' school and home. We are juggling between 3 roles. As parents, as professionals and as a human as well. So we are juggling between 3 roles and we are quite busy right now. Okay, so this is how you can just answer your question regarding the entire thing what you are doing. So how are you? So you can just simply say every single thing, like what you have been busy with. What is your wife doing? What are you doing? What is your kid doing? What is new which has come in, or what is not so new? What is so boring? What is not so good? Anything and everything you can just talk about. Another possibility you want to talk about is there's nothing new and everything is just very boring and the same old thing. So how do you say that? Okay, so let's try that. Oh, well, I'm good. Thank you so much. But there's nothing new going on in our lives. The same old boring routine. Going to office, coming back home with loads of work. No time to relax. Our kids are also going to school. They're also busy with their stuffs. So everybody is kind of busy and we all are really not getting time to chill or relax. So it's as usual, same old boring routine is going on. Okay, so this is also another way you can just reply to the question. Okay, if you are a bachelor, if you're a spinster or something, you can just talk about like, going to college or you're going to office and coming back home, cooking or eating something and then sleeping. The same old routine is going on. Lots of pressure, office pressure, or if there's no workload, you can just talk about that. I'm just in a chilling mood right now. Not much pressure from the company. Things are very smooth right now. So you can just talk about that. So this is how you can add details from your personal life to just enhance the conversation or grow the conversation. And then after this, you can ask another question, which is you can just ask a question to further engage the other person. So the same thing you're going to ask about the other person. How is the other person, right? Now let's put this question in a little different way and let's see how we can answer this question. So question number 2 is, well, how are you doing? Okay, how are you doing? This is another question we ask about how are you. Okay, this is another way of asking how are you. So how are you doing? Again, let's try something else here. Let's try a different format of answering this question. Well, nothing great. Things are very crazy at office. There are lots of work going on. There are lots of projects coming. We are hiring a lot of people, but we have very limited resources right now. So we are in the middle of a lot of challenges. So there are lots of things we have to do, but we are not able to find the right way. So it's going crazy. So things are crazy nowadays. Okay, so this is another way you can answer this question. How are you doing? Okay, you can simply talk about office. You can simply talk about your personal life. Okay, so another way of answering this question related to your personal life, you can say, things are going great. I'm pretty much happy that I've got time to play with my kid also, to spend time with my family. I'm really blessed. I get some time to work from home also. So 3 days a week I work from home and 2 days I go to office. So it's a big blessing right now in this age wherein everybody is calling people to office. So my work life is also kind of balanced, and I'm pretty happy with it. So things are sorted and I'm having a good time. Okay, so you can just talk about it in this way. How are you doing? Question number 3. What are you doing nowadays? Yeah, a lot of people ask this question. What are you doing nowadays? How do we answer this question? Now, these questions are all related, guys, right? We either talk about our professional life, our personal life, or in the other future plans which we have. We do talk about all these things. So these are all interrelated questions. Now, we should know what do we put forward? What we need to tell that person, depending on the person if it is a stranger or a colleague or a friend or a close family member or a relative or a distant, relative, depending on that, you need to put forward your thoughts. Okay, so this question is, what are you doing nowadays? Right now, I'm busy with baking. I have just thought of trying my hands at baking. I love cakes and cupcakes and desserts. So I was very fond of those desserts and I really wanted to try my hands on that. So this time during my summer vacation, I got some time to learn the skills. So I've enrolled myself in baking classes and I've learned some good baking there. And now I'm experimenting on that. So this is what is happening right now. And I'm really happy and satisfied with what I'm doing. Right? Okay, so this is how you can answer this question. Another way you can answer this question is, well, I'm working on a project which is into finance domain. This project is very interesting. I like the idea of the project. It is a product and we have to come up with new features. We need to add some new features to the product. We're just figuring out how we can achieve it at the earliest and how we can put it forward to the client so that they also approve it and we can start working on that. So this is what is happening right now in our project, and we are brainstorming on it and we are talking to the client about what features they want and what we can offer them. So I'm pretty much excited about this project right now. So this is another thing you can talk about. What are you doing nowadays? If you're searching for a job, just put it simply. Well, I've just completed my college and I'm looking for a job. I've given some campus interviews also, but unfortunately it didn't click. But I'm looking for a job off campus also. And I have certain interviews lined up, 2 or 3 interviews lined up. I'm looking forward to those interviews and I'm pretty sure I'm going to crack one. Simply you can just talk about what is going on, what are you doing nowadays. Very simple, right? So this is how you can answer this question. Question number 4. Where have you been busy these days? Right? Where have you been busy these days? So you have to talk about where have you been busy. What was your engagement these days? Okay. So now how you can answer this question? Oh, well, I've been on a vacation last week. You know, it's summer holidays. So my kid was also very excited about going on a vacation. I also had some leaves. So we thought of going on a vacation and we went to a hill station. We had a great time there. I think this is the best time to visit a hill station during summers. You will enjoy the weather there. You will enjoy food. You will enjoy the scenery. You will relax. You will be able to relax and chill out there. So I was out of town and I was with my family on a vacation last week. That's it. Simply you have to answer the question. You just have to talk about the basics, the facts. The facts, what you have been doing. Where have you been busy these days? If you're studying, if you have an examination, you're preparing for an entrance exam, you are preparing for a job, you are preparing for an interview, you are preparing for a business, to start your own business or whatever. Lots of things we all plan every single day, right? So you can talk about if somebody was not well in your family, you were not well. So you can just talk about, last week I had some health issues. So I was seeing a doctor. I consulted the doctor. I had some tests to get done. I got my reports and I went to the doctor. But then things are pretty good now. Doctor gives a few medicines and I'm perfectly okay now. You can just talk about it in this way as well. Okay, question number 5. Hey, what's up? This is a very casual question and it definitely comes up during our conversation with our friends or very close family members or people who are very friendly with us. What's up? How do I answer this question? Well, don't ask me. I was so busy these days. A lot of things are happening. A client is here at our office and we have to be there on time. We have to leave on time. We have to be dressed in formals. There are lots of meetings, back-to-back meetings going on. So it's crazy. So I've been busy with the client these days. Okay. Or you can just talk casually about it. Well, I'm getting very bored these days. I don't have much things to do. I'm just sitting at my home watching TV or watching a series or a movie and then going back to sleep and eat. So eat, sleep and repeat. This is the mode I am in. Okay. So this is how you can just answer these questions. These are very simple, basic questions which you You are asked every single day multiple times. So you have to just practice. You have to just speak the facts. You have to put the facts in a very proper way. You should know how to put the facts and what facts you need to put in front of whom, right? You can't discuss your personal life with a stranger, right? Right? What is happening with your kid? What is happening with your, spouse? What is happening with your mother or father or anything else? So you need to talk about some other thing like professional life or, a general thing like, yeah, everything is good. I've been busy these days. My kid is going to school. I'm going to office. My wife has been busy with office stuff. So it's all general, regular routine we are following. So you need to know what to speak to whom, in what situation, what you need to speak about. And it is, as I told you, it's all interrelated. Right? We just speak about our personal life or professional life or, anything else which we are doing, any plans, any experiences, whatever we want to share. So we need to know how to express ourselves, how to keep the facts in place. 2, 3, 4 sentences enough. Start practicing. I've given enough examples and samples in this video so that you can write it down. You can just practice it in your own way. Come up with questions, start answering those questions on this subject, on this topic, to get more confident and fluent in speaking in English with anyone, anywhere, anytime about this. Well, that's a wrap for today, guys. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching, and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.